some more changes. Am I on camera? Yeah. I didn't quite get this mounted on perfectly. Maybe next time I'll 3D print these components. Same wheels. Huge spoiler, because I think grip is really necessary right here. And another huge bucket, like snow blower kind of scoop. And then the little skirts I was talking about, so it pulls a vacuum right here. Alright, let's give it a run. Last time off camera, it did a little wheelie. Sorry if I jostled you about it a little bit. Let me make sure you're still aimed right. Yeah. Last time I tested it, it did a little wheelie, but then quickly put itself back down again. I don't know if that was because of the front canard, or the wheelie might have actually been because of the rear wing being so large and pretty tall in relation to the rest of the car. It's getting difficult to do this with that everything in the way. Alright, and also I added more rubber, stiffened up the chassis a bit with some balsa wood. So now I got 2 larger rubber bands than the 2 I was originally playing with, and then I have the 2 original ones I was playing with still attached. I think the larger ones might be a little bit longer as well, so hey, come on now, work with me, baby. Quit climbing up that pulley. Too much rubber. I don't think I was ever planning on putting this much rubber on it. Alright, so the rubber's right there by the spoiler. Sometimes it gets, oh no, never mind. Yeah, let's see what it does. It won't do much. The central hub came loose when I was twisting it up. Same thing I've been fearing the whole freaking time working with that thing. Well, the shot I got off camera was better, believe me. But yeah, might as well just redesign the whole thing. Maybe not such a large rear wing.